Now to a primetime news follow-up. The St. Catherine police have confirmed the identities of two bodies found in a vehicle earlier today in Worthy Park in the parish. As Sandy Williams reports, the bodies are those of a man and a woman who were washed away in a vehicle on Tuesday.
Flood waters from Tropical Storm Raphael tore through Worthy Park in St. Catherine with a furious rush, leaving behind a lot of muck and debris. But as the sun rose Thursday, it brought with it a somber revelation. About 1 p.m., in a twist both tragic and heart-wrenching, the bodies that were swept away in a pickup truck in the unrelenting surge on Tuesday were discovered after floodwaters receded. 58-year-old Junior Gooden and 28-year-old Terrika Green were traveling along the Worthy Park main road when floodwaters seized their vehicle, lifting it from the road and whisking it downstream until it disappeared. A search was launched, but it wasn't until Thursday their bodies were found and removed from the vehicle with the assistance of a wrecker.
The bodies were processed by the scene of crime persons as well as the vehicle. And at this time, the investigation is ongoing. Investigation is wide open at this time, and a postmortem will determine the cause of death. So the investigation will continue, and wherever the investigation leads us, that's where we will go at this time.
Head of the St. Catherine North Police, Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, adds that a firearm was also recovered from the vehicle.
We believe that firearm belonged to the driver. He was a licensed firearm holder, but the investigation will prove as we go along.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.